In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Varient, that's news and magazine script. So let's look at some features of this script. Clean and responsive design, built using Bootstrap, totally secure system, multilingual system, RTF support, SEO optimized, SEO friendly URLs, layout options, unlimited layout, colors, editable and sortable navigation, external links and drop down option for navigations, and so other features, and so many other features. So now, after purchasing this script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install or customize your script. So from here, from my file manager, I go to the subdomain I'll be using for these testing purposes. So this is it. I've already uploaded my script, so next I'm going to extract it. Extract files. Next I click on close. So this is the extracted file. Let me move all the content to the root folder. I'm moving it to the root folder. Move files. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Next I click on up one level. Next, let me copy my subdomain name. Open a new tab, paste it there, then click on enter. Use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install your script or customize your script. Next, I click on install. And also for your web project, also use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you develop your web application. So next I'm going to fill in the license code. Then next I click on next. All are enabled. I click on next again. I'm scroll down. All are set. I click on next. Now I'm going to set up my database. So to set up my database, I will go back to my cPanel. On my cPanel, this time around, I'm going to databases, my SQL databases. So let me name my database as Varient. Okay, let me name it as this. Then I click on create database. I have successfully created my database. So next I click on go back. So after creating my database, what next for me is to do is to create the user. So let me scroll down. Yeah. Okay, let me name my database user as this. Then next I click on create user. So I've successfully created my user. Next I click on go back. After creating my database and my user successfully, next I'm going to add my user to my database. Let me scroll down. So I click on add. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I give up privileges. Scroll down to make changes. Yeah, successfully given up privileges to the user. So now let me copy my username. Go back to my site. Database name, username, yes, this is my database name, that's my username. So next I click on next. So next I'm going to fill your time zone, Africa, Lagos. Username admin at example.com. Then I click on finish. I've successfully installed my script. So for your script customization, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize it. So if I want to register, I can just click on register, then I register here. And if I want to log in, I click on login, then I log in here. For your script installation or your script customization, or you want to develop your web application, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you for your projects. Thank you.